All right, this is the Streambox channel, one of many. So DVD is one, CableSat is one. I use Streambox for a particular audio input. If I go into the settings or the setup for my Streambox channel or source, you'll see in my Onkyo setup menu, let me go back and forth. In my Onkyo setup menu, there's several different options, 1 through 8. 1 is IO assign, 2 is speaker, 3 is audio adjust, 4 is source. If I enter the source, there are a few options: IntelliVol, name edit, audio select. So if I go back to audio select and press enter, you can see that HDMI is the specific input for my Streambox channel. So I think I have a I don't know what it is right now, a WD Live or something like that, which feeds into my Streambox channel. Where's my WD Live? It's somewhere down here. Okay. All right. Now for my karaoke audio input coming out of my receiver, so it's a bit messy, let me just warn you, but I have an Apple TV which feeds into this receiver, and the receiver then feeds into my the Apple TV feeds into this mixer. The mixer feeds into my receiver using I think it's cables very similar to this, just it's been some time since I did this setup, and those are analog cables. So if I come back down here, whereas my Streambox my Streambox channel is HDMI, which comes from my WD Live box, which I just showed you. If I go to my game channel, which is where I have my input for the karaoke, and I press setup, go to source, press enter, go to audio select and press enter, you'll see I have this set to analog, and on my Onkyo I should be able to change that. My options are HDMI or analog. So I had to change this input, since it's coming from my analog mixer. I had to change it here to analog. Okay, I hope this makes some sense. So let me just go back to my setup. I don't have it set up right now to actually demonstrate to you that it works, and it's a bit difficult to get behind my receiver now that I have a console into which I've placed it. But I really think if you go into your receiver and change the source, okay, and in this case, in the back of my receiver, I've plugged in the input from the mixer into the analog input called gain, solves my problem. So now both my voice and the audio without the lyrics flowing through to my receiver, all the way to my speakers, which are all the way on the other side of the room, on the floor, and it works. Let me know if you have any further questions.